What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to another episode of That Savage Kitchen. And on today's episode, we are going to be making a fire lobster pasta. If you checked out my old lobster video, that video blowing up, so hopefully this video blows up. But I'm going to show you how to make some delicious creamy tomato basil lobster, you guys. Y'all don't want to miss this, so make sure y'all like, comment down below. If you're gonna try this recipe, make sure you share this with your friends and look at this ratio. This is ridiculous. I need more of y'all to subscribe to the channel, support the kid on all social media platforms and all of that. But without further ado, I ain't gonna waste no more time and we're gonna get started with this lobster, you guys. So stay tuned. If you're gonna make some lobster pasta, you obviously gonna need some lobsters. So you have two options. You can get the 3 to 4 ounce lobster for $15, or you can get the 10 ounce lobster for $30, bro. $30 for a lobster. I usually don't get lobster. Last time I ate lobster was a video that I made, which was a year ago, and I did not know lobsters were $30. So I don't know, boy. Your boy just gotta check. Your boy's balling. But we are gonna cut the lobster up like this, and we are gonna separate the meat from the shell. You can get rid of the shell, or you can use it and put it in your pasta. So I kept this shell because shoot, I'm about to get my $30 worth. I don't care. So your boy tried to cut it in half, struggling, but we all good. We got it eventually. So we have this big piece of a lobster compared to that. So I guess it was worth $30. It wasn't worth $30, but you know. But we're gonna take that lobster and we're gonna cut it up into small pieces. I tried to cut it up into tiny pieces, acting like I was gonna get more, but it's all good. But I'm gonna take 1 teaspoon, some lemon pepper, some garlic salt, and some butter Kinder seasoning. If you know, you know, it was in the lobster video. Then I'm gonna take 1 teaspoon of some onion powder, some chili flakes, and some paprika. Make sure your hands are clean because we're gonna mix this up. If you have some gloves, even better. And that is it. It should be colored just like that. Get you a pot, a cast iron, a skillet. I don't care what you use, but we're gonna put some oil in it and add some butter. I added oil and butter because the oil is gonna stop the butter from browning, but the butter is gonna make it so creamy and delicious. Butter, you get it?
I see what you did there.
Okay, but we're gonna let it cook for 5 minutes until it is brown, just like that. Then we're gonna remove it from the pan, but don't clean the pan. So we're gonna get 5 cloves of garlic. You can get as much garlic as you want, and you can mince it, you can slice it, and you can dice it. I don't care. Just get your garlic, and we're gonna cut that up. Next, we're gonna take 1 whole shallot. You can use onion if you want, a white onion. I don't care, but I love shallots even more. And we just gonna bring that over to our lobster crusted pan. We're gonna add some more butter, and FYI, always mise en place. This is what you should and what you shouldn't do. So I looked in my fridge thinking I had heavy whipping cream. I saw I had heavy whipping cream, but it was expired a whole month ago, and this video was filmed at 3 o'clock at night. So I had nothing to do while I just watched and suffer and watched all my food burn. So I had to continue this the next day. So that's why my pan is clean. I use sliced garlic instead. It really doesn't matter. Get you some shallots, and we're gonna mix that up. And after we mix that up, we're gonna add some tomato paste, and all you need is 1 tablespoon, almost a little bit more than 1 tablespoon, but 1 tablespoon of some tomato paste. Let that cook, mix that up. Then we're gonna add 1/4 cup of some white wine. I use that Pinot Grigio that I used in my seafood scallop video. If you haven't seen that, make sure you check that out. And as you see, we have the heavy whipping cream. I got 1.5 cups of that. Mix that up, put that on medium high, let that boil. Then I use 1 teaspoon of some black pepper, some paprika, and some lemon pepper seasoning. Then I turn the heat down, add my Parmesan, add as much as you want. I don't judge. And we are just gonna kill the heat and let that Parmesan melt and cook that pasta. So I have rigatoni pasta, and you see I added my lobster tails in there because I told you I'm not gonna waste anything. We're gonna use it for presentation and flavor. We're gonna cook that for 8 minutes, or what it says on the box, al dente. And then after that, we're just gonna dump that pasta straight into the sauce. And after we do that, we're gonna give a little color to it. Add some parsley if you want. Before, after, do either or both together. I don't care.
We do not care.
And we're gonna mix it up gently just like that. And just look how delicious and creamy that thing look. We're gonna add some basil on top because we are fancy like that, and we need some more greenery. Add some more fresh Parmesan on top. You can add your lobster in right now, but since I'm a YouTuber, I gotta add it in on top to make it look more presentable. And that is how you make some delicious lobster pasta. Super easy, not complicated at all. And this is almost a 1-pot dish. It kind of is. No, this is a 1-pot dish. I don't care. even though I cook my pasta. I mean, bro, whatever. But if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure y'all like, comment down below, support the kid, and make sure y'all share this with all your friends, family, dog. I don't care, your goldfish. But make sure y'all share this video. But other than that, I am out. Have a blessed day.